At the moment, it may look more like a building site than a concert venue, but organisers say everything will be in place for this Saturday's gig. It's not the first time the Rolling Stones have played Slane. They were first here for a sellout concert 25 years ago.
Feels a bit surreal, but I'm looking forward to it. 25 years later, after Eminem debacle, I wanted to come back with a bang. What better than a bigger bang tour in the Rolling Stones?
Following the debacle over the Barbra Streisand concert, the promoters MCD are hoping for a better reaction from this, the sole Irish gig on the tour. Today they held a press conference in Slane Castle to outline what's going to happen next Saturday when 70,000 fans arrive. There'll be a full field hospital with doctors and nurses, as well as 460 Gardaí in the area. The Garda advises stay away from Slane if at all possible, and for those coming,
the idea for people on the day will be to leave early. Allow yourself sufficient time, at least an hour if not more than the normal journey. If you can at all, you should avail of public transport.
Car parks will open at noon, but they are weather dependent. The Rolling Stones are due on stage at 8, and MCD say the gig is going ahead, come rain, hail, or perhaps even more unlikely, shine. And perhaps the most crucial piece of advice to those coming to the concert on Saturday is to remember to dress appropriately for the weather, because you won't be able to take in your umbrella. Richard Delling, RT News, Slane Castle.